If you don't already know, and today we are gonna be doing another new product Friday. Yeah, another new product Friday. Okay, it's not really a new product. We're gonna DIY. I mean, it is new, but we're gonna DIY it ourselves. So today we'll be making DIY flaxseed gel from scratch. So if you want to know how to do that and how that turns out, keep on watching. You already know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. You know if I want to upload next. Y'all already know what to do. And let's get on with this video. Okay, it's future me. I know. It's not actually Friday. It's actually Sunday. I'm posting this on a Sunday, so I'm still gonna keep new product Friday. So yeah, but the reason I didn't post it on Friday is because I had so much going on this whole week, and then I also needed to announce the winners for the giveaway. So I decided let's just make it on Sunday and announce it. So I'm here from the future, or it is Sunday today. So I'm here to announce the winner. And so let's go ahead and remind everybody what you are winning. You're winning this ultimate hair kit with all of these good stuff, everything you need for your natural hair, just about. So the winner is going to be, I think you pronounce her name Khaia. I don't know, I'm sorry y'all. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but she is the winner for the ultimate hair kit. But I'm also going to be doing something special for the rest of the people that did comment under that video. So it was about 5 people that commented under that video. So the rest of them, I'll put the names up here. Y'all will actually be getting a kit as well. Not the ultimate kit, but you'll be getting a simple kit, which I will show right now. You know, it's just something to give back, and I'm just happy that y'all are here to support, and I'm just here to give back to you guys. Yes, I said I was just gonna do the ultimate. This is kind of like a one-time thing. I'm just doing this for now. I just decided to give the rest of you guys a kit as well, just the simple kit. So yeah, so we got the ultimate kit goes to Khaia, I believe, and then we got the simple kit goes to the rest of them, which is Makiyah, Caterina, Lajala, okay, sorry, and Riku. Yeah, I don't know. These are just the names that were on there. This could just be like a username, but these are the names. I'm sorry I'm being so awkward, but these are the winners. Everyone's a winner that commented, so get into contact with me. So I commented back on y'all's asking for like an Instagram or a TikTok account because I need to be able to direct message you and get the information so I can get these kits out to you guys. So make sure you get in contact with me. I'm gonna give it about 2 weeks. So okay, so I'll give y'all until June the 26th. That's 2 weeks to get into contact with me so I can be able to send you guys this. But thank you guys so much for your support, and I hope you like these kits. So let's get back to this video, and yeah. Wait, before we get back to the video, I'm also doing a giveaway code for anyone else that wants to get in on this deal and, you know, miss the giveaway or anything like that. So this code will be available for 3 days. So today's the 12th. It's going to be available for the 12th, 13th, and the 14th. So just 3 days, and this is the code, giveaway code. Type this in at the checkout, and you will get 50% off. Yep, 50% off. So use the code, hurry up before it's too late. So you got 3 days to do that. But yeah, let's get back to the video now.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like you.
So to make flaxseed gel, all you need is flax seeds, water. That's it. You can add oil and stuff, and I am, but like the most basic things you need, flaxseed gel and water. But I've never done this, so we're actually gonna see how it goes today. So I'm gonna take you over to the stove, and maybe voiceover me might take over next. We'll see, but y'all, I'm excited, and we're actually gonna try it on my hair and see how it looks on my hair and see how it dries on the hair too, and feels and holds and all that stuff. So this might be a quick, simple video, but hopefully I like the gel. Not gonna lie, y'all, I have tried flaxseed gel, and it was the Shea Moisture flaxseed gel. Like, this was years ago when I first started my natural hair journey. Those were the products that I kind of tried out a little bit, and the flaxseed gel, I just kind of convinced myself that I liked it, but honestly I did not like it. It didn't really melt into my hair. It kind of sat on it. It just wasn't really, it was just sitting on top of my hair. So I thought it was just the flaxseed. I don't really like flaxseed gel, but I don't know, maybe it was the Shea Moisture. I don't really like their products. No hate to them. I just don't really, they're not really my cup of tea. But anyways, hopefully I like this gel. Hopefully it's different. But yeah, enough talking. Let's see how this goes. Let's get to cooking up this flaxseed gel. Okay, it's forced over me. So you need the flax seeds, water, a container. I'm using an empty eco jar, and a stocking or pantyhose for straining. I think I did 2 cups of water and a half a cup of flax seeds. So you're gonna put it on medium heat, let it boil, and then it should start gelling up, and then turn the stove off and let it cool down all the way. Next, take a stocking or pantyhose and strain all the gel, removing all the seeds. This was kind of hard, straining the gel out. I don't know, I think I kind of underestimated how much strength you need to put into straining the gel out, because it was a little tough at first, but then you just gotta really push that gel out, or strain it out. It was kind of difficult, not gonna lie. You see me struggling a little bit at first. I am also putting oils into mine, and so I'm going to use olive oil, tea tree oil, and vitamin E oil. I'm just going to put a little bit of that into the gel. Just mix all that together, and there you have it. That's what it looks like, and it smells so good with the vitamin E oil and the other oils, but mostly vitamin E. But yeah, that's all you do. Y'all, I just tried it out. So this is we looking like, I just tried it on this one section. This is how it's, okay, I don't think y'all can see it. I mean, y'all could probably see in the video that I had. It's slimy. It kind of reminds me of slime a little bit, because it's just so slimy in here. Look at that, don't want to spill it. But I'm not gonna lie, like the texture, I was like, I don't know, I'm skeptical. But putting it on my hair, it like, I don't know, my hair really is vibing with it. Just look at the definition it's giving me. Like, come on now. I really like this. I thought I was not gonna like this, because I thought, like I said, I tried flaxseed gel, Shea Moistures, and I didn't like it. And I really thought it was the flaxseed. I just thought it was the texture, but no, I like this. Hold on, let's let it dry and I'm come back. But I like it. And by the way, this stuff smells so good, because I put the vitamin E in, and olive oil, and tea tree oil. Tea tree and especially vitamin E oil, they smell so good to me. But so make the gel smell so good. But just look at the definition, y'all. Oh my god, compared to like, it looks like this when it's, no product, poofed out. And this is after, like, just with the gel. I really like this, y'all. I really do. Just look. By the way, this is like the texture of 4C, by the way. In my last video, or in one of my last videos, the chart, it goes like this, but it can also be like an S shape. If you can see my texture, it's like kind of crimpy looking. I mean, I don't know, but it can look like this. Okay, so it's pretty much dried, and y'all can't tell me this don't look defined. Look at that definition, and it's not hard at all. Y'all, it's not crunchy, not hard. Oh my god, the definition is amazing. I might just have to start cooking up my own gel from now on up in my kitchen. I love eco. I'm always gonna love eco. But I might have to switch to this DIY. But I mean, I'm still keep eco in, you know, in my little products. But this is probably gonna be the move for me now on. Especially if it's gonna, like, it's natural. Oh, I'm just so excited, y'all. Look at it. Try this out. Y'all need to. Okay, and I'm back for the outro. So you guys, I think I really like this flaxseed gel. I'm definitely gonna make it. You can get a big pack of the flaxseeds for like $10-15 at Publix or the store. I'm not sure. It might be at Walmart too, but Publix has it for sure. Whole Foods. And I think Walmart does have it. I don't know. But anyways, I might have just got it from Walmart, to be honest. But you guys, all you need is the flax seeds and water, and if you want extra oils and stuff, then yeah, that's all you need. And the gel holds well. It holds well. It adds definition. It doesn't have like a crunchy feel or hard feel. And it, well, with the oils, it made it smell even better. It doesn't have a particular smell, to be honest. But are you guys gonna try this? What do you think? What do you think about it? Because I really like it. I really do, and I definitely am gonna keep making my own DIY flaxseed gel. That's for sure. So. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Those who names I had up earlier in the video, make sure you contact me within the next 2 weeks so I can get these kits to you guys. And yeah, and don't forget the giveaway code is giveaway code for 50% off a hair kit. So use it before it's too late. We got 3 days up until the 14th of June. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I can't wait to post more videos. Sorry about the confusion. Sorry if you're on my TikTok and you are waiting for a live. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do a live very soon. For real, this whole week was just a bad week for me. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.